Everyone used to say that cracking your joints feels good, and now they've done imaging and figured out that it's not really bad and doesn't cause arthritis. And while that may be true, I think the issue that people could be generating with all the excessive cracking of their joints, if you do it more than 2 or 3 times a day, isn't that you're developing arthritis, but more so that you're developing a slight little subtle misalignment. If you turn and crack your head as hard as you can to kind of release pressure in the base of your skull, you're not going to create arthritis per se, but what you're really doing is abruptly shifting and rotating the vertebrae and twisting them. You do it over and over again, you'll favor one side. You'll just slowly create adhesions in the connective tissue around there, and that could lead to compression of nerves. That'll never show up on a scan. It's not the bone that's compressing it, it's the soft tissue next to it from excessive cracking in that same type of fashion. You create like a groove or like a rut that you get stuck in.